There comes a moment when you realize you've been living the same day wearing different clothes, the same thoughts, the same reactions, the same emotions that pull you back every time you try to rise. You've changed jobs, you've met new people, you've read books, tried affirmations, even visualized your dream life, but somehow your results don't change. And it starts to feel like life is mocking you. But life isn't mocking you. It's mirroring you. You're not trapped in your circumstances. You're trapped in your mental patterns. And here's the truth most people never understand. You can't create a new reality while thinking like the old version of you. Every thought you repeat reinforces the world you live in. Every belief you hold is like a lens, and your reality will always match the lens you're looking through. So if you want to create a new life, you don't start by changing your actions. You start by changing your identity. Your identity is your invisible operating system. It runs everything: your habits, your fears, your confidence, your boundaries. And the reason your patterns never change is because your subconscious is still running on the old code. You keep trying to install new behaviors in a mind programmed for survival, not expansion. So let's go deeper. Let's break the cycle from the inside out. The process begins with 3 steps: awareness, acceptance, and reprogramming. Step 1. Awareness. Seeing the pattern. You cannot change what you refuse to see, and most people live blind to their own programming. They think they're making choices, but they're just repeating emotional reactions stored from childhood. Your triggers, your doubts, and your fears didn't start today. They're cues of the past replaying through your nervous system. So awareness means observing yourself like a scientist, not a judge. Watch your thoughts. Watch your emotional reactions. Ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Whose voice is this in my head? Do I still want this story to be true? That's how patterns begin to crack. Awareness is the light that exposes the shadows. And once you see them, they lose power over you. The old you survives through unconscious repetition. But the moment you become conscious, the loop weakens. You stop reacting and start observing. That's when transformation begins. Step 2. Acceptance. The calm in the chaos. Most people get stuck here, because once you become aware of your patterns, you'll feel angry, maybe even ashamed. You'll realize how long you've been living asleep, how much time fear has stolen from you. But please remember this. Awareness without compassion only deepens the pain. You cannot hate yourself into a new reality. You can only love yourself there. Acceptance means saying, yes, this is where I am right now. Not as punishment, but as presence. Because the energy you meet your pain with determines how fast you'll heal it. If you resist it, it grows. If you face it, it dissolves. So sit with your emotions. Breathe through them. Let your body process what your mind has been holding. You are not broken. You are simply remembering your power. Step 3. Reprogramming. The shift in frequency. Now comes the real work. This is where most people give up because reprogramming your subconscious requires consistency, emotion, and repetition. You can't change your identity overnight, but you can begin teaching your mind a new language, the language of creation. Every time you visualize the life you want and feel it as if it's already yours, you're literally rewiring your brain. Neuroscientists call this Hebbian learning. Neurons that fire together, wire together. That means your brain doesn't care whether something is real or imagined. It just records what you feel consistently. So when you choose to feel abundance, joy, and gratitude, your brain begins building that as your default vibration. Your subconscious stops looking for danger and starts looking for opportunities. And that's when life begins to rearrange around you. This is how manifestation truly works. It's not about forcing reality. It's about aligning your inner frequency until the outer world has no choice but to match it. You attract what you are ready for, not what you simply want. So the moment your inner world changes, your external world begins to shift too. Ask yourself, if I were already the person who had everything I wanted, how would I think? How would I speak? And how would I act? Then start living from that energy now, because identity creates experience, not the other way around. You don't wait for proof to believe. You believe first and the proof arrives later. That's how every quantum leap begins. This is not pretending. This is reprogramming. The more you embody your future self in the present moment, the more your subconscious accepts it as truth. Soon your brain stops fighting it. Your habits align, your emotions stabilize, and life begins to mirror that new state of being. Every thought, every reaction, every belief is a choice, and each choice sends a signal to the universe. This is who I am. So if you keep saying, I'm stuck, the universe keeps agreeing. But the moment you say, I'm expanding, everything shifts, because your energy has spoken a new command. Reality is fluid. It bends to consciousness, and your consciousness, your awareness, is the steering wheel of your entire existence. Once you master your inner world, you stop chasing life and life starts flowing to you. When you reach this point, you'll understand. Manifestation isn't about control. It's about coherence. You and the universe aren't separate. You're co-creating every moment, every outcome, every timeline. Your job isn't to force things. It's to align your vibration with the version of reality you wish to experience. Then, effortlessly, it appears. Breaking mental patterns isn't just a mindset shift. It's an energetic rebirth. You're not just changing how you think. You're changing the frequency that reality recognizes you by. When you stop identifying with fear, the world stops reflecting fear. When you start identifying with power, the world starts mirroring opportunity. That's how quantum manifestation truly works. So from this moment on, don't chase your dreams. Become the version of you who already lives them, and your dreams will chase you. You are the cause, not the effect. You are the scriptwriter, not the character. You are the consciousness shaping the story, and the moment you believe this, your reality bends. If this message found you today, it's because your higher self knows you're ready. Comment, I am the creator of my reality. Like this video to strengthen that truth in your subconscious. Share this with someone who's ready to awaken. Subscribe to the channel because Lesson 4 will teach you how to raise your vibration to match your desired timeline. Don't forget, you don't attract what you want. You attract what you believe you are.